Hello guys, welcome back to the new update of Lair VR. We don't have a mystery of the day today. So I'm just gonna show you some of the new updates, what we fixed. So the main thing we fixed was loading time is now fixed, so you don't have to wait 5 years. We added this dude in our shop. Don't use cosmetics, but cosmetics do work now, so you can equip them. PvP is still not working. Low gravity works. Mood map kinda works. Sometimes we get flown back in or thrown off the map. So yeah. We added a post-processing button, so you're on like a crappy broken down quest 2. You can turn that on to help with your FPS. We have a new. We fixed the elevator so it actually looks like you're going up with it. Well, we added. Okay, I can't make it up there. Whatever. They added a slide. We still don't have any water physics, so kind of sucks. But editor notes here. We have pool physics now. It will probably be added next update. So I lied about pool never being updated. My bad. We'll have to fix that. Horror. I don't think anything's new, but we can go check. Horror. Yeah. It's 2 levels. So, let's see if I can find the end. Yeah, you get it. It's 2 levels and a monster somewhere. Okay. Okay. For mods, I'm just gonna show you this, cause why not? Alright. We got the fling hammer and the kick hammer, and then mod menu off. It's X on your left controller, but UK doesn't even work. You can't click anything, so we'll have to fix that next update. And let's say your trial mod and you don't have mod wins, you're join our game now. So you start and we ask you for your play family. Reach over now and you can read it out. Working leaderboard, but that's been like that. There's now a no kick button for people who aren't mods, so random people can't kick you. And and there's no more colliders here, so you won't float in the air. That's pretty much it for the new update. Have a good day.